और नमस्ते आप सभी को. Welcome back to our channel, episode 3. So in this episode, we'll be talking about the second wheel of the car, which is career. But before this, I would request you all people to go watch our last video, which is about the first wheel of the car, which is family. So that it'll be easy for you people to again connect to this video because this is again the continuation. So in this video, we'll be talking about the second wheel of the car. I'm saying it again, second wheel of the car, which is career. Before, we were so focused in our careers that we didn't have much time for anything else in life. And right now, in this current pandemic situation, we had so much time, but we don't have our careers with us. Because there's nothing called career right now. We still have it, but it is so uncertain and so unpredictable right now that people are going mad over it. Why are people getting so depressed right now? Because they are so uncertain about their future and things in general. People like our fathers, they don't know about their businesses, when their businesses will be stable, and then school students like us, college students like us, they don't know about their colleges or schools getting reopened and when they can continue with their classes, when can they continue with their normal going life. We don't know about it. We're very uncertain. I know changing times like this is not an easygoing thing in life. This uncertainty will hit us differently. Therefore, we need to have faith and belief that we have a percent of certainty, a normal percent of certainty, and it is not zero. Therefore, we have our knowledge, our life and experiences with us right now. This is also the time to learn new things, to be productive about things that you like, boost up your confidence and face the situation free flowing, so that it'll be easy for you people to fight this uncertainty and overcome this uncertainty with ease and comfort. There's a nice saying by Chris Evans. By whom? Chris Evans. He said that uncertainty is where creativity lies. Remember this. Uncertainty is where creativity lies. Creativity comes to us when we are ready to solve the problem and willing change for the better. Like I had mentioned, change is the normal part of our life. Remember this again and again. Change is the normal part of our life. It's okay if we are facing changes right now. This is pretty normal. This will come and go. Things will come and go. Uncertainty will come and go. Unpredictability will come and go. Creativity happens to us when we really want to create, when you want to create your career and your life. But as we all know, we don't have a career, we don't have something called career right now. So we can focus on our life right now. How? We can do things we like. We can keep ourselves busy with things we really like. This pandemic is the right time. This pandemic is the apt time to focus on things you like. Focus on things you want to do in life. It is all about you and your life and how you want to create it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it amongst your family and friends. And मास्क पहने रखो, कोरोना से बचो, अपने आप को भी बचाओ और अपने आसपास वाले रहने वालों को भी बचाओ. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next video, which is going to be about the third wheel of the car, which is social relationships. People love this topic. They've been asking me to make a video on this social relationship topic. So this will be in the next video. Stay tuned. stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much.